Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nunn again, and I'm going to be teaching you about the dreaded fraction for one more day. So here we're going to be taking 1/2 and multiplying it by another fraction, 1/2. So what I have modeled down below is the fraction 1/2. We have one part shaded out of two total parts. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be taking this fraction and multiplying it by another 1/2 over here. So to do that, what we're going to do to this model is to cut it into two pieces representing 1/2. So I'm going to draw a line right down the middle. And what I've now done is I've taken the fraction that used to represent 1/2 vertically, and I've cut it in half, and now I have four total boxes, and only one of those is going to be representing the part of the whole that is going to be represented in the numerator. So this top square right here, I'm going to go ahead and circle it. That's actually going to be our new numerator. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it on top in the numerator. And again, we talked about having four total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be 4 in the denominator. So really what you're doing when you're multiplying fractions by fractions is you're basically dividing your original fraction by the second fraction. I'll also show you how to do the standard algorithm, so I'm going to rewrite the problem. 1/2 times 1/2. And unlike adding and subtracting where you need a common denominator, you don't here, although we do happen to have the same denominator of 2 in both of these fractions. But I'm going to go ahead and multiply straight across. So I'm going to take 1 and I'm going to multiply that by 1, which equals 1. And then I'm going to take 2, multiply it by 2, which equals 4. And folks, that's how you're going to multiply fractions by fractions. Remember, anytime you're multiplying by a fraction, you're actually going to get a smaller number. If you think about when you multiply by a whole number, you usually get a larger answer, a larger product. But when you multiply by fractions, you actually get a smaller product. Remember, 1/4 is smaller than 1/2. Pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helps today, and have a wonderful day. Tomorrow I'll be talking a little more about fractions. Mr. Nunn, signing out.